Whoa, have a look at that one. That's 2 wides. That's gone miles down the leg side. Well, that's one of the biggest wides of all time.
And not only that, it's an interesting action he's bowling with. Inzimam ul Haq.
Well, let's have another look at the action. He's actually no-balled him. Now, I suppose he went over the front line. Just let's have a look. Just watch this action. Well, I tell you what, this is risky on Pakistan's part. I reckon there's a definite jerk in that action. Oh, this is unbelievably interesting. I've never seen him bowl before. I think there's a definite jerk. Now, the law says, and no ball called again. Well, I think it may just be that we have a sensation on our hands here. Inzimam ul Haq, let's see if it's front foot. I don't think so. We made this mistake when little Murali was bowling in Brisbane. Now, watch the elbow. Just watch the elbow here. Bends it and then straightens it. Oh, that one way down the leg side. Probably a good thing. They'll probably take him off. 4 wides.
Very little Rashid Latif can do here. It was so...
real drama here. Let's have another look. Now watch the action. Watch the arm. Watch the eyes of the umpire. Well, I don't think the umpire there is looking down at the line. So we could have some drama here. There's the action again. David Orchard from South Africa is the umpire down that far end.